Are you ready to take your driving skills to the next level? In this video, we'll walk you through 50 important road signs every driver should know. If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. The divided highway ends sign means the physical barrier that separates opposing lanes of traffic will soon disappear, and drivers must now be prepared to share the road with oncoming vehicles in closer proximity. The interior lane shift right sign informs drivers that the alignment of the lanes is about to shift toward the right, requiring vehicles to adjust their path smoothly. The low clearance sign warns tall vehicles such as buses, RVs, or trucks that the height of an upcoming structure, like a bridge or tunnel, is limited. The lodging sign indicates that there are nearby facilities such as motels, inns, or hotels where travelers can rest, sleep overnight, or take a break during a long journey. The combination junction sign shows the intersection or overlap of two different numbered routes, helping drivers choose the correct direction based on their planned destination. What road feature does this sign warn about? A. Interior lane shift right. What kind of junction is this? C. Combination junction, two route signs. Where can drivers find accommodation? A. Lodging. The railroad crossing ahead sign is an early warning that train tracks intersect the road up ahead, and drivers should slow down, look both ways, and be prepared to stop if a train is approaching. The truck route sign marks a road that has been specially designated for truck traffic, either due to weight limitations, road structure, or to direct heavy vehicles away from restricted areas. The pull-through sign points to a long, straight parking or service lane, often used at rest stops or campgrounds, designed to allow large vehicles like RVs or trailers to pull in and exit without reversing. The lane ends merge, right sign, warns that the rightmost lane is about to end, and drivers in that lane must safely merge left, while vehicles in the continuing lane should be aware of merging traffic. The chevron left sign consists of arrow-shaped markers pointing left, placed along sharp curves to visually guide drivers around bends. The forest route sign designates a route through a wooded or protected forest area, often maintained for recreational use, scenic travel, or access to hiking and camping spots. The steep grade hill percentage sign indicates the steepness of an upcoming incline or descent, measured in percentage, which helps drivers select the appropriate gear or adjust speed for safe travel. What hazard is ahead? B. Railroad crossing ahead. What lane condition is ahead? A. Lane ends merge, right. What road feature is indicated here? B. Steep grade, hill percentage. Falling rocks sign warns of potential rock slides or debris falling from nearby cliffs or slopes, a common hazard in mountainous terrain where the road is carved into the side of a hill. The merge left sign alerts that traffic from the left side will soon join the main roadway, requiring drivers in both directions to remain cautious and share the space responsibly. The deer crossing sign is used in rural or wooded areas where deer are known to cross the road, often at dawn or dusk, reminding drivers to slow down and stay vigilant to prevent accidents. The state route marker, 2 digits, identifies a road as part of the state's official highway system, using a unique 2-digit number, assisting drivers with navigation and mapping. The equestrian's permitted sign indicates that horseback riders are allowed to use the road or path, and drivers should be aware of slow-moving animals and pass them carefully without honking. The added right lane sign informs drivers that an extra lane will soon be added on the right, offering more space for traffic or creating a new exit lane, depending on the area. The handicapped accessible sign designates that a facility, entrance, or parking space has features such as ramps, wide doors, and smooth pathways suitable for people with disabilities. What route marker is shown here? C. State route marker. What accessibility feature is indicated? Handicapped accessible. What should drivers do at this sign? B. Merge left. The bus station sign marks the location of a public transit stop where buses pick up and drop off passengers. It's often near benches, shelters, or transit hubs. The no waiting sign strictly prohibits vehicles from idling, parking, or stopping, even briefly, in the marked area, helping to ensure smooth traffic flow and pedestrian safety. The interstate route marker with state, 2 digits, sign labels a stretch of the interstate highway system, showing both its route number and the U.S. state it runs through for clearer navigation. The wrong way sign is a critical safety alert that warns drivers they are traveling in the wrong direction on a one-way street, and they must immediately stop and turn around to avoid a head-on collision. The Park Ride sign indicates the presence of a designated lot where commuters can park their vehicles and transfer to buses, trains, or carpool services to continue their journey. The storage space symbol sign is used to mark access points to storage facilities or warehouses, typically for commercial deliveries or moving truck entry. What type of route marker is this? A. Interstate route marker with state. What symbol does this sign use? B- storage space symbol. Where is this sign directing to? C. Bus station. The side road at an obtuse angle, right sign, shows that a connecting road joins the main route from the right at a wide angle, requiring careful merging due to limited visibility or awkward approach. The food sign points to nearby restaurants, diners, or cafes, making it easy for hungry travelers to locate a place to eat without leaving the main route. The litter container sign lets drivers know that a public trash bin is available nearby, helping reduce littering and maintain cleanliness along roads and scenic areas. The golf cart sign permits the use of golf carts on the road, or path, usually within golf course communities or leisure zones where such vehicles are common and expected. The side road at an acute angle, right, sign indicates a sharp right turn, where another road merges in at a steep angle. The "Do not pass stopped trains" sign enforces the rule that no vehicle should attempt to drive around or pass a train that is currently stopped on the crossing. The stop sign ahead sign gives drivers advanced warning that a full stop is required shortly, giving them ample time to prepare, especially at high speeds. The added left lane sign tells drivers that a new lane is about to join from the left-hand side, which may change lane assignments or require traffic adjustments. The pedestrians permitted sign signifies that people on foot are allowed to use the road or path. Drivers should watch for walkers and yield where necessary. What road feature is ahead? A. Side road at an acute angle. What road configuration does this sign indicate? B. Side road at an obtuse angle, right. Who is allowed to use this road? C. Pedestrians permitted. The side road with parallel tracks, right sign, shows that a road and a railway line both intersect from the right, requiring extra caution for traffic and train activity. The no stopping sign prohibits all types of stopping or halting, whether for dropping passengers, waiting, or deliveries, within the posted zone. The gasoline sign shows the presence of a nearby fuel station, where vehicles can refuel, making it easier to plan breaks or fuel stops. The handicapped symbol indicates special facilities, such as restrooms, entrances, or parking spots, that are equipped to serve individuals with mobility challenges. The bicycle and pedestrian sign marks an area where both cyclists and walkers are expected to share the space, requiring mutual awareness and respect for safety. The bicycle route sign identifies a path or road officially marked for bike use, often with smoother surfaces or reduced traffic for safer cycling. The interstate route marker, 3 digits, sign denotes a branch of a major interstate, usually serving as a spur, loop, or bypass around a city or metropolitan area. The crossroads with parallel tracks, left, sign, warns that the road will intersect both another road and a railway track from the left side. Drivers must slow down and scan for trains. The farm vehicles sign alerts motorists that they may encounter tractors or other agricultural equipment, traveling slowly, or turning onto the road from nearby fields. What type of route marker is this? A. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. What kind of road is ahead? B. Side road with parallel tracks, right. What type of junction is indicated? A. Crossroads with parallel tracks. The yield sign ahead alert lets drivers know a yield sign is approaching, giving them time to slow down and prepare to give way if necessary. The bicycles merging sign notifies drivers that cyclists may be entering the roadway from a side lane or path. Caution is required to ensure safe merging. The county route marker indicates that the road is managed at the county level and is identified by a unique route number, useful for local navigation. The narrow underpass sign alerts drivers that the underpass ahead has a reduced width, which may not safely accommodate larger vehicles or multiple lanes. The T intersection with parallel tracks, left sign, marks a T-junction where railroad tracks run alongside from the left. Trains may cross at any moment. The pedestrians crossing sign indicates that a pedestrian crosswalk or high-foot traffic area is just ahead. Drivers must reduce speed and be ready to stop, The library sign marks the location of a public library, offering community access to books, internet, educational resources, and quiet study spaces. And that's it for our 50 essential road signs. We hope this helped you feel more prepared and confident behind the wheel. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're always up to date with the latest driving tips. Thanks for watching.